Again, yeah. You're going to be on YouTube.
Alright, so we have an ocular system mouse and keyboard, which essentially equates down to an eye tracking system. And so what we have is a wheelchair with a computer and a web camera that faces into the user's eye. It's a approximately 6-time optical zoom, which allows us to get close enough to the eye where we can measure movement of the actual eye and the eye moving around. We use infrared lights to supply a constant light source to the eye, and we filter out all other visible light through a filter onto our webcam. So this allows us to get the optimal what's it called? Just be able to distinguish the pupil from the iris. It adds great contrast to that. From there, we are able to, through a calibration process, we're able to figure out where the center of the pupil is and correlate that to where the actual user is looking on the screen. If the computer fails to, freezes, turns off, basically stops working at all, a supply is cut off to a microprocessor, and an emergency text message is sent out to a predefined phone number, letting them know that the user's computer is no longer working. So, and that's really the gist of our project. We created a wheelchair, which allows us to lock down the computer, and has an adjustable headrest in both the X and the Y direction. So,
very cool.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good. How are you doing? Good.